Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Let others also join. Keep your book and notebook ready. Already know because you have learned it in Mandela also. Rest. Let them understand the others also. Okay.
Ma'am, can I get my notebook and pencil?
Yes. Go. Bring your notebook.
Ma'am, we need a notebook.
Yes, you need your notebook. You have to always in maths. You need notebook and pen. You have to do the questions in notebook. Okay. Okay. All of you are ready. Now, shall we start with the class? Okay, Jubair is
Yes.
not there. Abdullah is not there. Hamdan, you're ready with your notebook and pen? Okay, so I'm showing you a puzzle on based on fraction that we always do before our class, before our regular teaching. So, okay, this we did in the last class. Okay, arrangement of fractions. Okay, ordering. See, this is your challenge. First one, I am less than double 4. So what is double of 4? You have to think. I am less than that. I am a mixed number. My whole number part is even and I am closer to 3 than to 5. So go one by one. Okay. I am less than double 4. Give me answer. If you find out the answer, you can give me the answer. Go one by one. Less than double 4 is 8. Huh? So less than 8 you have to take. So 2, this 9.5 is not there. 8 is not there. I am a mixed number. Then 7 is also not there. 3 is also not there.
6.5.
6.5. My whole number part is even, and
2.5.
I am closer to 3 than to 5.
Two and a half. 2.5.
Yes, two and a half will be the answer because I'm closer to 3 than to 5. 6.5 is closer to 5. Okay, 2.5 is closer to 3. So your answer is 2.5. Okay, now try the second challenge. Same table. Now go one by one again.
I'm more than half of 6.
Yes. So what is half of 6?
I'm less than 9. 3. Half of 6 is 3.
So I'm
It's
more
more
than
than
3.
that.
And I'm less than 9. So it is between.
I'm less than 9.
8. 8. No, go through all the number. I'm not a mixed number. I am 2 of.
I'm not a mixer.
I am more than.
I am more than 2 away from 10.
8 is 2 away. I am more than 2 away.
7.
Yes, 7 is the answer. Okay, 7 is the answer because see, I am more than half of 6. That means more than 3. I am less than 9. So that means between 3 and 9. I am not a mixed number. So mixed number 7.
So it can be 8 or 7.
Yeah. So 7, 8 can be the answer, but they have written I am more than 2 away from 10. So 8 is just 2 away. So 7 is more than 2 away. So it is 7. Okay. Clear, everyone? So it was just. Okay, now today we'll do multiplication of fraction. Remember in multiplication, suppose
Last class, you were showing us the mixed fractions addition, but we did
addition.
not understand.
Okay, that also will
Because
do.
your pen was not working.
Acha, haan.
Ma'am, I know this
My
method,
pen
like
was making.
multiplying fractions.
You know that? Okay. Okay, see. Addition of mixed fraction also.
Ma'am, you are telling in the last to simplify fractions. So from the starting only we can do the simplification.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
2 and 2 are there.
Correct.
So
Correct. You should simplify in the first step only, although it is written in the last step, but simplify here only. Okay. So
Ma'am, what are we
what we are going to do, how to do addition
Okay.
fractions.
Okay, last class, some of you did not understand mixed fraction addition. Okay, so before that, I'll do that. And then we'll do multiplication. Okay, so I'll teach you how to multiply mixed fraction. Okay, so one method is how to add mixed fraction. Add mixed fractions. Okay, so one method is, suppose I give you one question, 1 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 5. Okay, so how will you do? One method is you change it into improper fraction. Okay, how will you change it into improper fraction? This is
5
first.
5 upon 3.
This is 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5, right? Yes or no? 5 twos are 10 plus
Yes.
1, 10 by 5.
Yes.
So what is LCM? LCM of 3 and 5 will be, because no common factor, so you just have to multiply 5 into 3, which is 15. So what happens here? 3 into 5 is 15, so 5 into 5 plus 11 into, what will you do? 5 into 3 is 15, so 11 into 3. So 25 upon 15 plus 33 upon 15. Answer you get 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And 3, 2, 5. 58 upon 15. Okay, this is your answer.
Ma'am, I did not understand the like you did 3 plus 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5. So I did not understand that. How?
In mixed
Oh, God.
fraction, this is mixed fraction. How will you change it into improper fraction?
Uh-huh.
Now you understood? I
So
have
we will divide, na ki multiply. We will multiply.
You multiply this, huh? Don't forget, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, you did not put the sign. I'll put the sign on it.
No, you don't put the sign. Mixed fraction may we don't put the sign. Okay? Mixed fraction may we, when do we put the sign? We don't put the sign in mixed fraction.
Not understand how mixed fraction is converted
Yes,
into
ma'am.
improper.
Array 3 multiplied by 1 is 1 and 1 multiplied.
What has happened to you all? I have already
3 multiplied by 1 is 1. Ma'am, you gave the worksheet also of
I
it. So
have
many
given you
questions.
homework also. That is why I
Yes,
keep
so many
on telling
questions.
you that please complete your homework. How do you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? If you forget this thing, then see, you have to revise at home. Maths, if you don't revise, this is very difficult, because every class we cannot go back and then we will never complete this fraction chapter. Okay, if I am going back and teaching again and again the same thing. Mixed fraction, the once and the last time I'm explaining you, this is a mixed fraction. How do we do it? Whole number into the denominator plus numerator upon 3. So you multiply this and then add this. And how do we change it into mixed fraction? How do we change, like 44 upon 7 is there? How will I change it into mixed fraction? I will divide 44 by 7. Okay, 7 divided by 44, 6 are 7 6 are 42, remainder is 2. So my remainder comes in the numerator, quotient comes in the whole number, and denominator is as it is. Now when you will convert it into mixed fraction, you will multiply this whole number and the denominator, and you will add this. Please remember this.
Ma'am, 6 sevens are then we will what we get the answer will
Class, some of the people always ask how we convert mixed fraction into improper, improper into mixed. I have given you so many questions. Please go back to those exercises. Do it again if you have forgotten. Okay, please practice everyone, because this is just basic. We cannot do it again and again. Okay, do you remember that we have done it or not? Do you remember anything? The initial classes of fraction,
Yes,
we have done this conversion of mixed fraction to improper, improper to mixed. Okay, so you cannot afford to forget this thing. Please remember it. Okay, now is it clear, Juveria? Now is it clear how do we convert mixed fraction? Those who have forgotten, see, I have told you, denominator into whole number plus numerator. This is your conversion of mixed fraction into this thing. Now, is it clear? See, once I teach mixed fraction, when I teach LCM addition, then you forget addition, then you forget mixed fraction. If you remember addition, then you, when you forget addition, when you remember addition, you forget mixed fraction. So this way should not happen. You have to remember both the things.
Ma'am, I understood the mixed fraction. Now explain the ahead one. Like I understood the LCM.
Okay, now
after
you tell me what I have done over here. You tell me. You don't open maths book. Now it is clear. At home, you don't open maths book, Ibrahim. Tell me what I have done. What do we do when LCC? Still we are stuck on.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, Muhammad. You already know this. Let them learn and remember. Okay, Ibrahim, tell me now. Apply your brain cells and tell me what I did over here. 3 and 5.
Ma'am, what we will find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 3 and 5, we will do the method first. So then 5, the LCM will like over here the 5 and 3 will come. So 15 is the answer.
Yes.
So, 3 into 5 is 15. So
no, then what we do? I have to make the denominator equal to LCM, right?
Yes.
So what will I do? I have to multiply 3 with 5 to make it 15, right?
Yes. So 3, I'm telling that only. What will 3 into 5 will be 15. So same we'll do with the numerator. 5 into
right, Ibrahim. Then what you have not understood? Tell me. What you have not understood?
Then we will do 5 into 3.
No, you tell me what you have not understood, Ibrahim. What you have not understood. Please don't waste time of the class. Huh? Tell me what you have not understood. Seriously.
How did you get this answer?
You are telling na 5 into 5 and 11 into 3. When the denominators are same, you will add.
And this one, 25 by 15 and 30.
When you multiply 5 into 5, how much you will get?
25.
Then, when you are multiplying 5 in the denominator, you have to multiply the same number in the numerator, right?
Yes.
Is it clear now, Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the method that we were doing. So we should not take so much time on this. How will I learn? How will I teach you the new method when you are forgetting the old method only? Okay. So that is why, see, the whole class, whole period, I will be keep on doing the same thing only. So please pay attention and understand. Aisha Aga, is it clear to you? Aisha Aga?
No, ma'am.
What is not clear, Aisha Aga?
No, I didn't understand how you found the answer.
Okay, you find the answer because I have already taught this. Addition of, just add 5 by 3 and 11 by 5. Add it in your notebook and I want to see your method. Fine? Because I have already taught this. So you should know this. I have been teaching it from last 1 month. Addition of fractions. So now you do the answer. If you don't understand this method, please do it. Because whatever I have taught previously.
5 by 3 is 15 and 11 by 5 is 55.
Then what is the answer? 11 by 5 is not multiplication. 11 by 5 is division. You have to be clear about this. I don't know what is the problem with you people. See, it will be very difficult for me to teach if you don't revise at home. Because this we have been doing from just go through the classes. If you remember, Abdullah or Muhammad Saqib, do you remember how many days we have done this addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Many days. In the next class, you come and forget, then what can I do?
Ma'am, almost
what I cannot go and sit at your home and put everything in your brain. That you have to do on your own, okay? Everything teacher cannot do. You have to give your 50% also. At least give your 50%. Okay, Rashta, do you remember the addition now? Or you have also forgotten? You remember? How many of you still remember addition of fractions? Humaira Qasim, your camera is off, so I cannot see. Hamdan, do you remember addition of fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza, do you remember addition of fractions? See, if there would be test, I would be giving you addition and subtraction of fractions in the test. Okay, so please revise. I won't be giving you multiplication and addition, but at least mixed fraction, improper fraction, equivalent fraction, lowest form, addition and subtraction. This thing will be there. So please revise, everyone, because we have been doing it for so long.
Ma'am, unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction only.
Ma'am, I understand the addition of unlike fraction and other.
You have
Like-
understood, na? So please don't forget this. Because in every class, when I'm teaching further, you come back and say that I didn't understand what is mixed fraction.
In the addition of mixed fraction, I don't understand how the whole number to put it.
See, you don't need to understand that, Umar. See, even if you are going to do this way, which I did just now, you saw this method, which I was doing it over here. See, this one. This method, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and add it. Okay, don't go for the second method, because this method is only getting difficult for you. So please don't use the second method. I'm not going to teach the second method now. Those who have understood, it is good. And because then again you get confused. So that is why please go through this method only and continue with this method. It is fine, you will get the correct answer. Okay, I was just teaching you another method to make it shorter, but you people will get confused. So I won't be teaching you that method now. So please, because you remember this method, whatever we have done till now. Okay, now we are going to do, is it clear everyone? Is it clear how we did mixed fraction addition? Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and then add. Then you can do, right? Then there won't be any problem, Omar. Omar?
No.
Then you can do, so do the straight way only. If you don't understand that method, it is okay, no problem. Okay, this method is also correct and you can get the answer. I was giving you more methods so that whichever you get easy, you find it easy and you can do. But fine, we can learn it in the next year also. Okay, that method you can learn next year also. So no problem till now. For this, for time being, you can do this method. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and proceed with the normal method. Okay, whatever we know. Okay, now we are going to do multiplication. So once again, everyone just pay attention. Multiplication of fraction you don't have to do. It is very simple. Just remember what we are going to do. Suppose I have two fractions, 2 by 3 into 1 by 6. Okay. So what will we do? In multiplication, numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator. So actually you can write it as 2 into 1 upon 3 into 6. Okay. Now in this step only, you can do the lowest form. You can see that 2 gets cancelled out and 6, because top and bottom you can cancel when there is a multiplication sign. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So your answer will be 1 by
9.
Okay, one more question I'll do. If you have 2 by 3 into 5 by 7, what will be my answer? Multiply.
Ma'am, can't we do 2 multiplied by 5
You can
is
do
10?
that also. Okay, you can do that also. And 3 into 7, if you multiply, what is the answer? 3 into 7. See.
21.
So 10 upon 21 is the answer.
But we
Here
have to
you
do
are
it in lowest form, right?
There is
Here
no
you
lowest
are-
form only.
If
There is
you
no
are
lowest form in second
see,
one.
listen here first.
I am telling that if
not doing-
it is like that, then we can do
Huh.
lowest
If
form.
you are not doing the lowest form here, you will have to do it here. So I did it here only. Suppose if I do this question like this, like Ibrahim told that multiply directly. Okay, so I'll do that also and show you.
2
how we are-
upon 18.
So it will be 2 into 1 upon 3 into 6. It is
2 upon 18.
18. So here you will have to do the lowest form. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18.
One by
Still the answer is same. Okay. So what I did it here only. In the previous step only, you can do the lowest form. Top and bottom you can cancel.
Ma'am, 1 minute I will write.
Suppose if I give you one question, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 10 by...
Ma'am, we can only cancel top and bottom, not bottom and bottom, not top and
No,
top.
you
Only
cannot
top and
cancel. Yes, always remember top and top you cannot cancel and bottom you cannot cancel. Also, if you have 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 5, you cannot cancel top and bottom over here also. When plus sign is there, you cannot cancel. Only multiplication sign is there, then only you can cancel top and bottom or diagonally also.
Ma'am, division.
Multiplication is more easier than addition.
Yes, because you don't have to find any LCM here, right? LCM is a difficult part, so that is why you're finding it difficult. But it's okay if you practice now, you will learn it. Don't get scared of anything. You have to scare. You don't have to scare. You don't have to get scared with maths. Okay. So be bold and do the question. Attack the question. Here, what will I do?
Ma'am,
See here.
but in unlike fraction, we can't do the lowest form.
Ma'am, after we did this method that which Ibrahim showed, then in 10 and 21 we have to do lowest form.
But there is no lowest form over here. Here only see 2, 7, 5, 3, 2, 3. You cannot cancel. So no lowest form over here.
Okay.
Okay. Here
Yes.
see, I am doing a lowest form. See. Here you can cancel 5 and 10. You can cancel 5 and 10, right? So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. What else can I cancel? I cannot cancel anything else from top and bottom. 2 and 3 not cancel. 4 and 3 no cancel. 5 and 4 2 no nothing. So your answer will be how much? 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 upon 5 into 3. Yes.
15, ma'am.
Ma'am, in second one,
1 whole 1 upon 15.
Ma'am, we can do multiplication of 3.
Ibrahim, let Hamza speak. Yeah, Hamza, tell me.
ma'am, in the second
Ah.
one, 2 plus 5 equals 10.
5 into 2 is 10 and 3 into 7 is 21. Simple. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That's all. Okay. And after that, you can check the lowest form. Yeah, Hamza.
But ma'am, I thought we will add in this.
But here is no addition is there. Addition sign
Ma'am.
is not there. Here it is multiplication. Okay, Hamza. So when multiplication is there, you have to multiply. Don't add it. When addition sign is there, you have to add. Okay? Yeah, tell me, Ibrahim, now what was your doubt?
Yes,
What?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I was telling that in unlike fraction, we can't do LCM like when you told of the LCM.
Addition you're talking or multiplication? Please clarify.
I'm talking about this.
In multiplication, you don't need LCM. Please forget LCM, Ibrahim. LCM is required only in addition and subtraction. Okay? Multiplication, you don't need LCM. You just have to multiply. That's all. Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. Okay. Yes, Abdullah.
In this we
Yeah.
can try three or four fractions.
We are giving you. I'll be giving you now. Yeah, tell me, Abdullah.
Ma'am, when we do this, so when we find if it is an improper fraction, do we have to do it in a mixed
Yes.
fraction
Answer in mixed fraction. Yes.
Ma'am,
I'm not understanding.
You never understand. Tell me.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I did not understand. I think.
Yeah. What did you not understand? Who is not understanding? Tell me. Yes, Aisha Tazi. What did you not understand? Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That's all. This you have understood? Bas, you have
Ma'am,
to
can you show
add to the
the
lowest form.
Ma'am, can you show the screen? I did not write the third one
It's
question.
okay. I'm giving you new questions now. That was just to explain you. Let me do some questions. See here. First question is already done. Now see. 3 by 7 into 5 by 3 into 8 by 5. This is a multiplication sign. So you have to multiply 3 into 5 into 8 and 7 into 3 into 5. Just see over here.
Ma'am, 5 we can cut the 5.
Yes, you can cut the 5 over here. So
Why, ma'am? Why cut the 5?
lowest form you can do that na, top and bottom you cancel or not. So same thing we are doing.
Only one time we can cancel top and bottom.
No, only one can. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Okay. So this way I am cancelling out. Do the you do the lowest form. Okay.
Ma'am,
Then
3 can also cancel out, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 can also cancel
3
out.
is also cancelling out. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So you are left with only 8.
1 whole 1 and 7.
So mixed fraction mein if you write, it is 1 whole, 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. So this is your answer, first answer. Okay. Now pay attention. I'm doing the second one. Those who have not understood, just pay how I'm doing. 5 into, you have to write like this. Everyone write it in your notebook, then only you will understand. 5 into 1 into 7 upon 6 into 4 into 5. Aisha Kazi, just see, can you cancel anything from top and bottom? Can you cancel? Can you do any lowest form? See? 5. Only 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. So what is the answer now? What is the numerator, Juveria? Tell me. What will be my numerator?
Yes. We'll multiply 1 and then 7.
1 and 7 is
And
what?
7. 7.
Yeah. So 7 will be in the numerator. What will be there in the denominator?
Denominator 4 multiplied by 1,
24.
so then 4.
4 into 6, na? Here it is
Yes.
1. So 1
Yeah.
24.
24.
what is 6 fours are?
24.
24. So it is a proper fraction. You don't need to change. Your answer will be as it is. Is
Yes.
it clear now, Juveria, Aisha Kazi? Is it clear? Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Hala, is it clear to you or not? Whenever whole number is given, it is understood that it is 5 by 1. Okay. When whole number is given, you have to write 1 in the denominator. Okay. So do the next one now and give me the answer. 11.
Ma'am, I was telling that you cancelled the 5, both the 5 and make it 1. So how you got 7?
7 is there in the numerator. It is there in the question only.
Can't put 1 in the numerator, that's why.
Why will you put 7? Say you are not cancelling anything, Niche. Can you cancel 7 and 6 or 7 or 4? Can you cancel? No, no. So you will write as it is.
Then how you got the denominator? So 6 into 4 will do.
Yes, 6 into 4 into 1. 1 you don't need to multiply because you will
Ma'am,
get...
Ma'am, third one is 7 whole 6 upon 7.
Okay, let me ask everyone. You continue.
7 whole 6 upon 7.
Abdullah Muhammad Saqib, please continue doing the question till 10 and don't give me the answer. I'll check it in the end. Okay. Rashda, did you understand this? What will be the answer? Tell me. Will you cancel out anything here?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you cancel?
3 and
3 and 3. One's and one's. Anything else you can cancel?
no,
No. So what will be my answer?
55 upon 7.
Yes, it is 11 fives are 55 and upon 7. Okay. Hamza, now see the next question. Question number 4. Okay, what will I do? I'll write 7 into 5 into 12, right? I will multiply all the numerator and I will multiply all the denominator. 12 into 9 into 5. Can I cancel anything, Hamza? Tell me. Can I cancel anything from the top and bottom?
Ma'am, you can cancel 12.
Yes, so 12 and 12, I have cancelled 1 and
5. 5.
Yes, very good. 5 and 5.
7 upon 9.
Okay. Mohammed Saqib, I have told you to be quiet. Huh? Please listen to me. Okay. Okay, Hamza, tell me. What will be the answer now? 7 into only 1. And Niche,
4 upon
you are left with only 9 because rest are 1. So 9 into 1. Okay. Humaira Qasim, now do the next question. Question number 5. 8 into 7 upon 9 into 5. Tell me, can you cancel anything from top and bottom? See? Yes or no? Mohammadi, can you cancel anything from top and bottom?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Who is asking?
Aisha Kazi.
Wait, Aisha.
Aisha Kazi.
Mohammadi, can you
Nothing.
cancel anything from top and bottom?
Ma'am, no.
No. So what will be my answer?
No, ma'am, down one will be 45
Okay.
and the up one will be 48.
8 sevens are
54.
56.
56.
Okay. Okay. Now where is Aisha Aga?
I'm here.
Okay. Aisha Aga, I cannot see you. Yeah, tell me. Aisha Aga, tell me, what will I do here now? I will multiply the numerators, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So multiply 8 into 2 into 7. What will I write in the denominator? 7 into
7 into 3 into 2.
2. Now tell me, can I cancel anything from the numerator and denominator? Can I cancel anything?
You can cancel 3.
3 is not there in the numerator. How will I cancel it?
7
Okay, yes. 7 and 7.
and 2 and 2.
And 2 also one's and one's. So what will be my answer now? What is left in the numerator?
8. So 8 into 3.
Now not 3, Baba. This is by 8 by 3. Okay, this
Yeah,
is denominator. Don't say into to a fraction, okay? Then you will make mistake. 8 by 3. It is not 8 into 3. Okay, who is left now? Anas? No, Umar. First Umar. Tell me, Umar. 7th question. 3 into 4 into 7 divided by 7 into 3. Tell me, Umar, can I cancel anything from numerator and denominator? Umar?
I'm done on questions.
Umar, Hamdan and Anas. Please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, all questions done.
Yes, Umar. Can you cancel anything from numerator and denominator? Hamdan, can you cancel anything from numerator and denominator?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, 3 into 4 into 7 we have to do.
Ma'am, in the fifth one,
But
we will
you can cancel
simply
3 and 3, na? In multiplication, I have taught you that you can cancel it down. Anas, can you cancel anything in the numerator and denominator? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Let me complete this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cancel anything in the numerator and denominator?
No.
Who will
Ma'am, can I
answer?
tell?
Aisha,
Ma'am, can I
Kazi, can you
Ma'am, can I
cancel?
tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
can I
7
tell?
and 7. 7 and 7.
3 and 3.
7, 7 and
And 3 and 3. So the answer is 4.
Only
The
4.
answer is 4.
4 by 1, which is 4 only.
Ma'am, all questions done.
Umar, Hamdan and Anas, keeping your camera off and you are not listening to the class.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
No, that time it was off when I asked you question.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Okay,
Okay.
yes. Now Ibrahim, ask your question. What is your question?
Ma'am, in the fifth one, 8 by 7 and 9 by 5, you didn't cancel anything like.
Because you cannot cancel anything. Nothing is there. 5 के टेबल में 8 आता है, no. 7 के टेबल में 9 आता है, no.
Simply
और any number के टेबल में 9, 8 और 7 common तो नहीं है ना. No common factor is there. So that is why I didn't cancel anything. It's not that always you will cancel it, okay? Sometimes in the question you don't have anything to cancel, so you will not cancel.
Ma'am, you didn't do it. Ma'am, you didn't do it in mixed fraction, ma'am. It is
You do it in mixed fraction. What is the answer?
111 upon 45.
45 ones
One
are-
whole number.
Yes,
11.
111. And here also it should be in mixed fraction. 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Twos
2,
are-
2 and 2.
Yes. And what will be the now? Who will help me in doing this? Question number 8.
Mummy.
Ma'am, me.
I
Mummy.
want from Hamdan and Omar. They have not given me answer. Hamdan, tell me anything. Can you cancel out this? Anything is common in top and bottom. Can you cancel? Lowest form? कुछ हो सकता है?
No.
No. So what will
Ma'am, I did not understand the
What is the numerator?
The fifth one I did not understand.
See, fifth one and this eighth
9
one.
6 are 54.
And what is 5 sevens are?
40. 35. 35.
Make it in mixed fraction. Make it in mixed fraction.
Ma'am, 1 whole 19 numerator, 35 denominator.
35, 45, 54, 19.
9.
Yes, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, how did you do the last step?
This one.
Yes.
This is a mixed fraction. I have converted it into mixed fraction. Now those who have
Ma'am,
not
how did you do it in this sum?
in this sum, mixed
Ma'am,
fraction,
then
you have to divide it and find out the remainder. Remainder comes in the numerator. Everyone
Ma'am, divided by what? Divided by what?
divided by divisor 35.
All right.
In mixed fraction, I have seen that all of you have forgotten how to convert it into mixed fraction. So this is your homework. The mixed fraction exercise, everyone go back and revise. Those who have forgotten. The mixed fraction, how to convert it into mixed fraction and how to convert it into improper fraction. Mixed fraction to improper, improper to mixed. Is it clear, Hamdan? You have to divide whatever. See, if I am writing 54 by 34, it is, or 35, it is clear that it is 54 divided by 35. Okay, ones are 35, remainder 19. So 19 will come in the numerator.
Ma'am, in the sixth one, you cancelled 7 and you wrote 1. So in the same way, we can do of 3 also. Now 3 ones are 3.
3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Where we
So
are? Which
in the sixth one, I did not understand.
Sixth one, 3 तो ऊपर है ही नहीं. How will you cancel 3 in the numerator? How will you cancel 3?
Means I did not understand.
What you did not understand, even I don't understand what you have not understood. Everything is-
Cancellation. To cancel.
Okay, question number 9 I am doing. Do this question 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did all whole numbers by brain.
Check your answer from the slide that I am doing it here. Rest of you, please do this. If you have not understood, copy from the board, copy from the slide and understand how we are doing it. Okay, 8 and 8 I'll cancel out.
I did not understand the seventh one.
It is done over here. You are doing the answer and then you are telling you have not understood. Okay, don't write. Who is writing this? Wait.
4 into 5 is
Nahi, first what
4
will you
into
do?
5 is
We will
20.
cancel the 2
You have
8s.
to cancel
Yeah.
something, Javeria.
We have to cancel.
8.
Women
8,
should be
8.
at home and men should be working.
8 and 8 you will cancel. 8 ones are 8 and 8 ones are 8. Lowest form. Okay. So what is the
4
answer
5 are 20 upon 21.
upon 21? So 20 upon 21 is the answer. So this is proper fraction. You cannot change anything. Question number 10. Who will help me?
Ma'am, Ma'am, me.
Anas. Now do question number 10. 11 by 5 into 9 by 8 into 8 by 11. Yes, Anas. What will I cancel? Tell me.
We will cut 8 by 8, 11 by 11.
Yes. I'll cut 11 by 11 and 8 by 8. What is the answer then?
9 upon 5, which is 1 whole, 4 upon 5.
9 by 5. Anas, convert it into mixed fraction.
1 whole 4 upon 5.
One whole and
5 ones are 5. And what will be the remainder?
4.
4.
4.
5 plus 4, 9. So, this is your answer. 10th answer. Okay, should I change the next? All of you have noted down the question.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
And please do these questions at home on your own. Enough question I make you do in the class, but you people don't pay attention, don't revise it at home. Please do the revision part. Humaira Qasim, still I am waiting for your homeworks. You have not done a single homework, Humaira Qasim. How will you do? I don't understand why you are not doing. What is the problem? Not a single homework you have submitted, Humaira Qasim. Rest from everyone, I get the homework. More or less, 1 or 2 people don't submit all the homework, but still I'm getting homeworks from everyone. But Humaira Qasim, you are not sending. So many reminders I have sent you, but you are not submitting the homework. Why is it that? What is the reason? Tell me. Humaira Qasim? Gone. Camera off.
I will send in Saturday.
Why you are not sending? Do it at home. See, in the class also you're not doing, because I can see you're not writing the questions. Everyone is writing, you're not writing. And home also you're not doing. How will you learn it then? Okay, completed this one?
Ma'am, you did do
Okay,
the
Rashta,
division
completed
when
all.
the
Did you take
division.
the answer, Rashta? Rashta,
Ma'am,
did you take the answer from the board, from here?
ma'am, you
Yes.
didn't do the division one in which we do reciprocal. You didn't put that question.
That is division. I have not taught division yet, Abdullah. This is
Ma'am,
just...
but when there is multiply, and then division size comes, so we do reciprocal.
I have not
that
taught you division, so I cannot give you that question. I have not taught division. So when I complete with division,
And what is reciprocal?
reciprocal, I'll explain you. Don't get confused now. First, you do this one only. We'll proceed step.
Ma'am, can you do one more? Some last. Can you give me a chance?
You have understood now, Ibrahim?
Yes. Can you give me a chance?
Okay. Okay. One more question paper is there. One more sheet is there. Now, how will I multiply?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, my first 2 questions left now.
Okay, please write down the question. Now, I'm explaining you those who have already written. I'm explaining those. Where is pen? Mixed fraction, you know how to convert. See, mixed fraction is very important. If you're forgetting it, please revise. Mixed fraction, if suppose mixed fraction multiplication is given, for example, 2 1 by 5 into 4 1 by 7. Okay, what will you do? First, you will convert it into improper fraction. Okay, Rashta, can you convert it into improper fraction to 1 by 5?
11 by 5.
Yes, 11 by 5. Okay, into Aisha Kazi, 4 1 by 7. What is a mixed fraction?
4 1 by 7. Yes,
Yeah.
it is a mixed fraction.
You have to convert it into improper. You have to multiply and add.
7 into 4 is 28
Correct? Plus
plus 1
plus 1.
29. 29 upon 7.
So 29 by 7. Now you can multiply, right? 11 into 29 upon 5 into 7. Okay. There is no lowest form, so you will have to multiply it. What is 11 into 29? Anyone find out? What is 11 into 29? Yeah, tell me. 7 into 5 is 35, right? What is 11?
Yeah, 11 into 29.
319.
Yes. It is 319. 11 nines are 99, carry 9. 11 twos are 22. 22 plus 9 is 31. So 319. Change it into Abdullah nahi. Muhammad Saqib. Change it into mixed fraction. Do it in your notebook and give me the answer.
Ma'am, there is a method of multiplying 11 from 2 digits. Like if it's 29.
Simple
And
direct
we
multiplication.
have to add 2 plus 9 and then the answer that will come in between of 2 and 9.
Okay, yeah, is it?
Yes, and if the
Tell me the method.
answer is 2 digit, the less
Aisha
number
Kazi
will
is
carry
speaking.
over to.
Who is speaking? Aisha Kazi?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me, what is the method? 11 into
2 plus 9
2 plus 9.
is 11. So 1 will stay down and 1 will go up to 2. So it will become
8 is the whole number. 35 is the denominator. 79 is the numerator. We have to do again one more time.
No, Abdullah. 9 will be the whole number. It will
Sir.
go by 35 9 because your remainder cannot be greater than this.
Ma'am,
Okay?
9 is numerator. 9
Ah.
is numerator.
9 is in the numerator. What
Yes,
is 35 9?
35 9 is 3.
315. 315, na?
4 4 4.
315, na? 35. 315, 35.
315. 315.
Subtract 319, 315 from 3.
4. 9 whole 4 upon.
So it is 4. Answer is 9 4 by 5. Okay. This is your answer. Okay. All of you have completed this. Should I go to the next sheet now?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Time is over. We'll do it in the next class. But please revise this. Till here only we'll do. I'm not giving you homework because you people don't do it at home. But whatever we do, please revise. Yes.
Can you see that question again? I just studied with Rika.
Okay. Which question?
Third one. Yeah, just a second, no, ma'am.
This one?
Ma'am, I understood.
Okay. Take a screenshot, everyone. If you have not.
It is Windows print screen.
Yes, ma'am, it's Windows print screen.
So in other laptop, you do Windows print screen. Okay. In Mac, it is like this. Okay. So then see you in the next class.
Ma'am, I didn't take this screenshot.
You didn't. Okay. Wait a moment.
If you have written, then it's fine.
If you have written, Omar, na, it is already done in the class. Take it now. Taken? Wait, I'll give you the answer also.
Ma'am, taken.
This is the answer, okay? So if you have not done, you can take the answer screenshot also. Okay, I'm just stopping it now. Okay, bye everyone. And please revise. Mixed, improper, mixed. Everyone, do it.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye.